Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream. Achieving perfect whipped cream starts with the right ingredients and tools. You'll need heavy cream, which should be very cold, along with a chilled bowl and whisk. For sweetness, granulated or powdered sugar works well, and a touch of vanilla extract elevates the flavor beautifully. These simple elements are your foundation for a delightful treat. Preparation is key for light and airy whipped cream. Begin by placing your mixing bowl and whisk attachment into the freezer for about 15 minutes. This extreme cold is crucial. Make sure your heavy cream contains at least 35% milk fat for optimal whipping. Have your sugar and vanilla extract measured and ready to go. You can use either a stand mixer or a hand mixer for this process. Now for the exciting part, the whipping. Pour your super cold heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Start your mixer on a low speed, then slowly increase it to medium-high. Once the cream begins to thicken slightly, it's time to add your sugar and vanilla extract. Keep whipping, watching carefully, until you reach your desired consistency, whether that's soft, billowy peaks or firm, stiff peaks. Understanding peak consistency is vital. Soft peaks will hold their shape but have a gentle, slightly droopy curl at the tip. Stiff peaks, on the other hand, will stand straight up when you lift the whisk. Be very careful not to overwhip, as your beautiful cream can quickly turn into butter. For best freshness, store your homemade whipped cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.